Happens every time, bro. Scoot your way. Scoot your way. You know what I'm saying? I want before I get started, I want to say shout out to the people that just subscribed to the channel, man. I need y'all to keep subscribing, hit that bell so you can't miss the video. Drop a like right now. Comment what y'all want to see next. Cause me, honestly, I be asking y'all on Instagram, but y'all don't follow me on Instagram, so you might as well follow me on Instagram. But no, you know what I'm saying? Like, listen, we can get straight to this video, man. We got mukbangers not wiping their face after eating. One thing about me, bro. Hold on, let me get this thing started. One thing about me, bro, people need to wipe their face, bro. Like, I hate sloppy eaters, bro. I be telling my grandma, bro, like, wipe that off your face. Too much cheese and ranch, and I hate ranch. All these videos were part of a challenge, eat messy, so make sure I just say any hate. I'm not hating on nobody. Hey, eat if you're hungry. See that right there? That's just. I hate messing up my fingers with when I eat too. You know, I ate already. What are you dipping that in? Like, you don't got no butter, bro?
Oh, God, no! Oh, no, it's going to my gold chain. Mom!
Talking about some mama.
Oh, God, my gold chain is expensive.
Just wipe it off.
Mom! Mom! Shit!
That chain over with, son. It's like he letting the soul sow out the bottom of his.
Yes, we do. How about you?
No, that is. I'm glad everybody sleep right now, bro. Cause that wouldn't make me look right. Yeah, just come on, bro. And that's too much cheese. That's just nasty, bro. That's just nasty. Hard to swallow. Look at you. Oh my God, bro. I hate cheese, bro. And it's like you got cheese on a burger and you dipping it in more cheese. You got the cheese going in ketchup. I'd be sick if that's mustard though, no cap. Imagine that's mustard. Ew, nasty, bro. And they be smiling. This is an example, bro. Right here. It ain't no reason for you to hide all this ranch or this dipping sauce all over your chin, though, shorty. Like,
That is so good.
I get scared of these things.
Do it.
That's too much sauce.
She still didn't get it anywhere. She's cheating, y'all. Look at her go. Look at her go. Look at her go. Oh.
Bro, this is disgusting, bro. Bro. He shouldn't be. No, bro. You shouldn't be eating like that, bro. I know his mouth hot. Then the music's not making you no better. This might be the first and last mukbang video. I ain't gonna count to you. Like, they messing up the whole, like, crab leg eating part. Like, crab legs low-key good. But they just making it not good. Bro, do we... Who is this? Tentacles? Is that his name? Bro. No, don't even. Why is eating like a dog?
A challenge and an MISA all in one, people. That's some good spaghetti for my face.
Bro, I don't know what I just watched, bro. I ain't gonna catch it, but if y'all enjoyed that video, make sure to drop a like. Comment down below what y'all want to see next. Follow me on Instagram. You know what I'm saying? Subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell. Give me some video, bro. We're gonna road to 1K. We need 1K by the end of next month. 1K subs. You know what I'm saying? We gonna get that. But I'm gonna see you on next video.